Hello everyone, welcome back to the another Monday motivational video. So today I will tell you 6 tips on how to train your brain in terms of how you can actually make a habit or tell your brain what to do and how to be a person who can control his or her decisions. I will be telling you that it will be really helpful for you in terms of 6 points. And we start with the first point, that is read every day. Now I normally post videos on the best books that I read, whether they are self-help books, whether they are other books. It's a must need of art that you should read every day because it helps you give more approach, a wider mindset. There are many experiences in our lives which we can't have it ourselves, but we can have it through the books of good authors. The next point would be write down your ideas. Now write down your ideas in a way that it is an essential point when I say that whatever comes to your mind, make sure that you're writing it down, because ideas are something coming and going. But the people who actually keep up their passion or monetize their passion or be creative are always the ones who write down what they're thinking. So make sure that you always have a diary and a pen to write down whatever is coming up in your mind. The next point is exercise on weekly basis. Now, of course, we all are busy in our lives in terms of, job or studies. So make sure at least on weekly basis, 3 times a week, 2 times a week, plan your routine in this way. See, exercise is not only for body but also for mind. It gives you that scope, that relaxation and energy as well to give your best to your life and be the best in your life. The next point is get out of your comfort zone. Now it's very easy to sit in your comfort zone and enjoy what you're doing, but it is very difficult to get out of your comfort zone, do the things that you've never done before, because that is the sole path to actually achieve what you have not achieved. So if you want to achieve big, make sure you're not comforting yourself, make sure you're going out, getting out of your comfort zone and growing. The next point would be write a to-do list daily. This is a point, or this is something that has changed my mind. Now, by writing your priorities daily, by writing these are the tasks I'm going to do daily, you're telling your mind that I'm busy, you're telling your mind that I have to do so much of the things, and a way your brain gets trained. Your brain knows that I am always busy, I am always working, and I am always productive. So do this on daily basis. The next point is take time out to meditate. Now this is something again very important. Take out your time to meditate as you need it, as you want it, that you should have that time to meditate, sit in peace, give yourself that time to focus, to bring your energies back, to focus on the energies, to focus on what is happening around in your body and not around your world. That will really help you to concentrate and achieve big in your life. So these are the 6 points that you can follow to actually train your brain in a way to adapt any habit, adapt any idea. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as I post such videos on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like the video. Bye-bye.